This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
You see the drip by drip sauce.
Hey.
Hey.
First I cop that, break it down, roll it up, pass round, too loud. Can you hear me now?
Oh, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Prince Shuline of Prince Shuline Productions, back in with another YouTube video, back in with another one. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post, and let's get into the video. Alright, so what we're doing first is we're saturating the hair so that, you know, the next step would be, you know, putting curling creams or curly hair products in your hair. So I use this. You guys probably saw the other one, the regular leave-in, in my last video. This is the detangler. It's not a wave. It's by the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. Yeah, it's a leave-in, and it makes your hair extremely curly. After that, I'm gonna apply the silver product in my hair. Yeah. So applying the silver hair product in my hair, and after this, I'm gonna speed through so that you can see, you know, the different steps and different sides. I believe I started on this side, then this side, then this side, then this side. I do the banding method so that, you know, it stays, and yeah, it can dry like that. Then you take it apart. Yeah, but be careful, because how it dries, it clumps together. So I like to, you know, moisturize a little bit more after. So yeah, it's up to y'all. Honestly, I just paved the way.
Shining brighter than a diamond, cause I got the glow. Phone ringing, yeah, the money calling, and I got the go. I'm back up on my shit, yeah, I thought you should know. Shining brighter than a diamond, cause I got the glow. Whoa, I got the glow. 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 Gotta get it like a Dean boy who play with keys like a keyboard. How I really feel, they ain't really real, they some motherfucking decoys. We gon' search, find, and destroy. See me when I'm coming, I ain't never frontin', shining like Bruce Leroy. I ain't been that nigga, you ain't need no it. Opposition get obliterated, man, I'm just a player from the Himalayas. I could get deep, I got different layers, I illuminate brighter than a laser. Brown liquor, I don't need to chase it, just a round thing, bend it over, shake it. Do your thing, give me motivation. Got the glow, ain't no debating. I'm number one, ain't no replacement. I'm about to blow, that's a detonation. I be taking off in my destination.
Alright guys, that's the conclusion to this video. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will be doing more hair videos soon. Right now I'm learning guitar. If you guys want to see my progress through guitar, let me know, because I'll gladly do videos on that. And hopefully I'll do more piano covers. There's a lot of things that I have to share with you guys in further videos, but you know, stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post, so that you can stay up to date with my life, my hair journey, and whatever I have to offer to you guys. So Chipper Gang, Chipper Squad, it's been real. Peace.
Yeah, wasting time trying to get this money. I feel like I'm better than anyone before me. Yeah. Please don't ignore me, so you don't get fucked by them niggas you trust that you put before me. Facts. I love hard, but it hurt easy. You took